All right, so my stuff stopped working out here and this cover's totally busted. So I'm gonna show you how to replace this along with the cover. Come over here to my electrical box, which is outside. For most people, it's inside. And then I already know it's this one that runs to it. Over here, it'll be marked. If it's not, you gotta mark it. And if you don't know the ampage, it's right there, 1.5 versus like 20 or other things. So that's how I knew it was a 15 amp. All right, turned off the power. Now we gotta just unscrew this. Even though we tested it, this one wasn't even screwed in there properly, ever. Who does that shit? Okay. Now there's 3 wires, the white, the black, and then the neutral or grounding wire. So, I'm gonna undo this guy. All right, this is the white. It's just going right out that back like that when I unscrewed it. Top one, the green one for the grounding wire, the copper wire, all right, and the black one. Okay, that's out now. 1, 2, 3. Bought a new piece. Got the weather resistant one, signified with the WR. On the back, it shows me the white is on this side. So white is on this side. Put it in. Need to screw this in. All right, that's white. Then it shows the hot wire or the black, not the copper. Goes in this side. I might have to loosen this side a little bit. All right, the black fully went in there. And then I'm gonna tighten that guy. All right, and then the grounding wire right here, going straight in there. Like that, and then I'll screw that in. All right, those 3 are in. Now, what the last homeowner didn't do is actually install this properly. All right, that's nice and firm and in place. Turn the power back on, and if you don't know the ampage, it's right there, 1.5 versus like 20 or other things. So that's how I knew it was a 15 amp. Moment of truth now, the power's back on. I expect this to go off. Even though we tested it with that, I just brought a vacuum out just to do a quick check. Alrighty, we're in business, baby.